Welcome to How to Run an Ansible Playbook. Automating tasks. Sounds futuristic, but trust me, it's just smart engineering. We'll dive into playbooks, set up Ansible, and wrangle YAML syntax. By the end, you'll be running playbooks like a pro, and maybe even feel like an IT wizard. Let's get started. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Ansible makes automation a breeze. It's open source, no need for pesky agents, and runs on easy-to-read YAML. Think of it as the Swiss Army knife of configuration management. From deployments to updates, one command and boom, magic happens. Ansible Playbook's your new best friend. It's like a recipe for automation, telling Ansible exactly what to do. Whether managing servers or deploying apps, playbooks make life easier. And yes, YAML is friendly. It's basically structured storytelling. Setting up Ansible is easy. Install it, configure inventory, and make sure SSH is good to go. Think of it as assembling a toolkit before diving into automation adventures. Don't worry, no troubleshooting horror stories here. Imagine writing a playbook that executes a task only if the server is running low on disk space. Sounds efficient, right? Conditional statements allow us to make decisions within our playbooks using the when keyword. These conditions can be based on facts, variables, or task results. By applying this logic, we ensure that unnecessary tasks don't run, making automation smarter, faster, and less of a headache. Trust me, fewer unnecessary tasks mean fewer coffee breaks debugging. Ever had to install multiple packages manually? Yeah, nobody enjoys that. Thankfully, loops help us automate repetitive tasks, saving time and sanity. By using loop with items or with dict, we can execute the same task with different values, whether adding users or deploying configurations. Playbooks become more efficient, and you avoid the mundane clicking spree. Your future self will thank you. Think of roles like assembling IKEA furniture, but way less frustrating. Roles help break playbooks into reusable modules, each containing its own tasks, handlers, variables, and templates. This makes managing large playbooks easier and encourages reusability. Instead of copy-pasting configurations, you just plug in a role and get things rolling. It's efficient, scalable, and dare I say, a lifesaver in playbook management. Running a playbook is as simple as hitting Ansible Playbook, but don't let simplicity fool you. There's a method to the madness. Make sure you provide the correct inventory file to target specific hosts. Always verify syntax and perform a dry run before executing to avoid surprises. And yes, monitoring the execution output is crucial because debugging issues after deployment is like fixing a leaky boat mid-ocean. Debugging is like detective work, except instead of solving crimes, you're fixing playbooks. The debug module helps inspect variables and outputs, while verbosity (VVV) gives detailed logs to pinpoint issues. Checking return values and error messages is key to troubleshooting. And while ignore errors might seem tempting, use it wisely or risk masking real problems. Think of it as duct tape. It works but shouldn't be your go-to fix. Writing playbooks is an art. Keep variable names meaningful. Foo and bar won't help anyone in the future. Make them modular to ensure easy updates and maintenance. YAML syntax best practices can save you from some nasty errors, and documenting playbooks keeps the whole team in sync. Think of it like leaving breadcrumbs for future developers so they don't curse your name later. All right, we've covered everything from conditions to debugging, feeling enlightened yet. Playbooks thrive when structured efficiently, using conditions, loops, and roles. Debugging keeps the automation ship sailing smoothly. The next step, apply these concepts in real-world scenarios, experiment, and fine-tune your playbooks. And don't forget, learning never stops. That's a wrap. Thanks for sticking around. I hope you found this journey through playbooks insightful and maybe even fun. Keep experimenting, stay curious, and refine your automation skills. If you have any questions, let's keep the discussion going. And hey, remember, the best playbooks are the ones that make automation effortless. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.